Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got 4 new polishes that are about to launch on MJ Lacquer's website. The launch date for this collection is April 17th at 6 a.m. CST. There will be a 20% off Indiversary sale on the 17th and the 18th. I will have a link down below for you to just make it easy to get there. This collection is called Songs of Inspiration. I'm going to roll through them real quick. There are 4 of them. We have Because He Lives, and this is a beautiful polish. I'll talk about the makeups of them as we swatch them. Next, we've got this stunning polish, and this is called He Bore It All. And then we have Take Me to the King. And finally, we have I Can Only Imagine. And there we have it. So these polishes will be $11 each, and this is the Indiversary collection. So like I said, I will have a link down below. Now Miss Janet did send me 3 other polishes with this. Actually she sent 4, but one's been pulled. One was from Polish Pickup February, and that's this one on this hand. I do have a manicure coming up with that. And then she's got a, oh Lord, what's the name of it? Charity polish. Sorry. And that is on this hand. I've got a video coming on that one too. But I wanted to get this collection swatched and out there before the sale happens and they launch, so that if you're interested, you can set your alarms and hop on over there and grab what you want. So the other polish that she sent me was a Facebook collaboration winner type deal, and I will be wearing that in an upcoming manicure very soon. So I'm going to quit yakking and I'm going to get to swatching. So let's get into these gorgeous polishes. Here we go with our first coat of Because He Lives. It's a lavender acrylic with purple and yellow glitter mix, UCC flakies, and Aurora shimmer. And this first coat's a little sheer, but not bad. I like it. The next polish we have is He Bore It All. And it's a watermelon base with black shards, Sirius gold dust, and Aurora shimmer. This one is a stunner. I'm telling you, this is a summer polish for sure. I'm going to definitely be hooking up with this one this summer. And this is Take Me to the King. It's got a blue base with metallic and iridescent flakies and Aurora shimmer. I'm stunned by this one. I know it doesn't look like much right there. Hang on a minute. And then we have I Can Only Imagine. It's a pastel green base with hollow micro glitter, gold flakies, and gold shimmer. This one rocks. It's so bling-tastic. We're going to go in with our second coat of Because He Lives. And for me and the length of my nails, this is going to be plenty. If you have longer nails or wider nail bed, you may need 2. Isn't that stunning? And then we're going to do our second coat of He Bore It All. Sorry, the camera's freaking out. That's just how bright this one is. Love it. Look at that. That gold screaming. And then a second coat of Take Me to the King. This one, I don't even know what all, I mean, I told you what's in it, but I can't describe it. It's very prismatic. And there it is. And then a second coat of I Can Only Imagine. This is such a pretty one. Chartreuse green kind of color. Love it. I'm going to I've topped them all off with quick dry top coat. Here we go with that. I'm going to show you what they look like. I mean, they dry pretty, you know, but I don't know about y'all, but I always use top coat. I got to have that glossy top coat. Camera won't act right. And there's some nail art. And then some more of He Bore It All with the top coat. Look at that. Just looks like glass on top of that. Just brings it out so nice. And with some nail art. And then next we've got Take Me to the King. I just think any polish benefits from a top coat. That's just my personal preference. There we go. And then I can only imagine. Like I said, I will have links down in the description box if you want to go check these out. And that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this collection. I love it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.